¿Qué pasó?
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing good, my friend.
Just trying to get an estimate on cleaning out my dry line. Are you available today to come check it out?
Okay, I'll come over there today to look at it, okay? Thank you.
Okay. All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Bye. Nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you, sir. Can you give it a look? Okay, my friend. It's mucho caliente, maybe 100 degree. I charge you only 1500. Joking, right? No, I'm not joking, my friend. Me not joke. I do for you right now, my friend. Nah, I ain't think I'm gonna do that then. I can do right now, right now, right now. A little bit hungry too, my friend. What you got to eat? I'm hungry. You can go ahead and just leave. I'll just do it myself then. I'm gonna do it myself. You don't know how to do it, my friend. Of course I do. I do it all.